Hey guys, welcome back to Review Pals. I'm your host, Alexandria. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be looking at this vaporizer from Qjoy here. There's actually 3 different ones, 3 different sizes with 3 different colors. So we'll go ahead and jump right in and take a look. All right, so this is the Qjoy. It's a stealthy breathing LED indicator. Has a microphone switch for air suction automatic ignition. Fits for bottom intake CBD cartridge with a diameter of 11.2 millimeters or less. Built-in 510 thread magnetic connector. High strength, lightweight aluminum housing, slim and lightweight design. Stylish, creative, bottom micro USB charging with 30 minutes fast charging capabilities. So just a couple different features about the product. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the bag. It's in its own little carrying case there. Nice, keeps it all nice and scratch-free. And it looks like we've opened up the blue one, and this is also the smallest size available. If you flip it underneath, it looks like there is the little guy to charge it. So you just stick that in and you can charge it. So whenever you want to actually put your juice in, you're gonna just unscrew the lid and you just fit it right in there. For all of you vaporizer users out there, you know how all of this works. So this is a really cool design because it is so small and pocket-sized. It can really go anywhere with you discreetly. If you have, not a lot of pocket space or bag space, this would be great. It also comes with this little guy as well. This is actually just another little cartridge that holds your vape. So it just comes with an extra one, which is really great. So we'll move on to the next one. Looks like this one is the red one. This is going to be the largest size. So here is the vapor. Here's the port. This one does require that you screw in the magnet in the bottom there. That magnet is how it just magnetizes into the charging port. So as you can see, this one also has a different mouthpiece because it is the largest size of the vapor. This one's red, and as you can see, you can also charge it on the bottom as well. Here is going to be the charging cord for the vaporizer. Last one's going to be the black one, and it's also going to be the medium-sized vapor. So here is what it looks like. It has a silver mouthpiece on it, black charging port, and again, they all magnetize in, so they don't come apart, with your charging port on the bottom. So this is a really great little product. I think it's really cool. I love how tiny it is. I personally love little smaller pocket-sized things that I can just throw in my bag and go. Also, I like that it charges up in 30 minutes. That's really, really fast. That way, if it dies, in just 30 minutes, it'll be back up and running. I also love that not only do you have the little vapor that you can take by itself, but you can actually also just leave them together and always have your charger on hand. So a super cool product. I would 100% recommend this, especially if you're someone who is a vapor person, a vaporizer user, and you're especially trying to kick that cigarette habit. This is definitely a great option for you. So I want to hear from you guys and what you think about this product. Leave those comments below, click that link to subscribe, and we'll keep you up to date on everything we have for you here at Review Pals. Thanks, guys.